Today, Howl is going to make his first D&D character. First thing Howl is going to pick is his species. He's going to eat one of these treats. Whichever one he picks will be his species. Go ahead, Howl. And he has made his decision. Howl is... Howl's an orc. Next up, Howl has to pick his class. What are you thinking, bud? All right, I think that was the same placement. And we've got a fighter. So against type. A half-orc fighter for Howl? Next, he's got to pick his fighter archetype. Right in the middle again. And he went with... Oh, that's why you wanted to be a fighter, so you could be an Eldritch Knight. Okay, that makes a lot of sense. And last but not least, Howl, pick your background. Well, if you don't pick soon, Howl, Peaches is going to pick for you. Oh! He's walking away. Oh, Peaches picked for you, bud. An entertainer. Fascinating. So with an assist from Peaches there at the end, Howl has made a half-orc Eldritch Knight fighter who is an entertainer, which must be how he met Tombo's bard. He is probably some kind of action hero or stunt performer, but by night he is studying magic techniques so that he can go out and become a great hero. So Howl Pendragon, the half-orc Eldritch Knight fighter entertainer. There you go.